If you're an ultimate lover of indoor plants, learn how to propagate pothos to multiply this low-maintenance houseplant in easy steps. How to propagate pothos. To propagate pothos the right way, follow these steps. Select a healthy stem of the plant and cut a 4 to 6 inch piece below the root node. Make sure that it has 4 to 5 leaves attached to it. You can propagate the plant both in water and soil. However, the plant is not going to do well if you'll switch the growing medium later. Propagating pothos in water. The first step starts with getting a glass jar. Fill it up with fresh water and place the cutting in it. Let the node submerge entirely in water as it's going to aid in the formation of the roots. Keep the pot at a spot where it can get bright, indirect sunlight. Once the roots form, keep the plant in the glass jar in water or plant it in soil. However, do remember, once pothos roots adapt to grow in the water, it will be difficult for them to change the growing medium. Therefore, it's better to keep growing the way it is. Propagating pothos in soil. Dip the cut end in a rooting hormone and plant it in a potting mixture, burying 1 or 2 nodes completely in soil. Keep the soil moist while making sure that you're not overwatering the plant, as it can cause root rot. The roots are going to form in 30 to 40 days, and it's going to take about 2 months or more for the plant to start new growth. Keep it away from the direct sunlight. With the right care and indirect light, the plant is going to flourish for a long time to come. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos.